If your mattress is too firm, too soft, or too old, a cooling mattress topper could be a great alternative to buying a brand new mattress. Mattress toppers can be placed on any bed to provide additional cushioning and put into storage when you no longer need them. Cooling mattress toppers are even better if you run hot because they can help prevent you from overheating in the middle of the night. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 cooling mattress toppers on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Winspections 2-inch memory foam mattress topper. Soft yet firm bedding is key for anyone who sleeps on their back. This cooling mattress topper from Winspections is made out of super soft memory foam, which adds cushion and redistributes your weight for added comfort. It's also the best cooling mattress topper if you're looking for a deal, with an under $100 price tag. Memory foam can retain heat, but the Winspections topper features a cooling gel inside which helps redistribute body heat and keep you cool through the night. We found the memory foam to be pretty breathable as well. In fact, we noticed that the temperature stayed the same throughout the mattress topper even after lying on it during testing. Even though the mattress topper is really lightweight, we had no issues with it in terms of stability, though we did think the acupressure mat may have helped keep it in place. Number 2. Visco Soft 4-inch mattress topper queen. The Visco Soft pillow top memory foam mattress is the best cooling mattress topper we tested. The combination of a gel-infused memory foam base and a pillow top cover made the bed feel super cozy, almost to the point that it was difficult to get out of it. To make it stand out from the competition, the memory foam core has been enhanced by a luxurious down alternative cover consisting of plush 300 thread count sateen material that gives it extra cushion. We were completely supported while laying on it, without feeling like we were sinking down into it, even when we rolled onto our stomachs. In the lab, we placed an acupressure mat under each topper to test the thickness and ability to mask lumps and bumps, and we couldn't feel it at all through the Visco Soft topper. And although we tossed and turned and did everything in our power to squish it, the original shape remained intact. Number 3. Pure Green Natural Latex Mattress Topper. The Sleep on Latex Pure Green Natural Mattress Topper consists of 100% natural latex foam sourced from certified organic rubber trees, making it a greener option. It is also one of the best cooling mattress toppers that we tested. We found the topper to be much firmer compared to standard memory foam, which makes it great for people with hip and shoulder pain. We observed that it was firm enough to support our weight, and did not sink under us for the time we tried it. Just note that the topper is heavy, though we initially noticed a latex smell coming from the topper. Once it was on the bed with a fitted sheet over it, the smell vanished, so it shouldn't be bothersome when you sleep. We found that the mattress topper didn't shift and stayed on the mattress the entire time we tested it. Number 4. Zinus 4-inch foam mattress topper. If your mattress is too hard for your liking, a memory foam mattress topper can make you feel like you're sleeping on clouds. Say hello to the Zinus Green Tea Cooling Memory Topper, which provides comfort as well as absorbs moisture, and eliminates odors. This is thanks to the activated charcoal and green tea infused foam. Indeed, the only odor we detected when unpacking the topper was a slight earthy scent. Another beneficial feature we noticed is that it's truly noise insulating and didn't make a sound as we moved around on it. If you don't want to deal with a creaky, squeaky bed, this is a great choice. It's gel infused and feels surprisingly cool to the touch. It warmed up a little as we continued to lie on it. While the 4-inch thickness helped make it one of the best cooling mattress toppers on our list, we felt it was too bulky. Number 5. Amazon Basics Cooling Gel Mattress Topper. Made from synthetic latex foam, the Amazon Basics mattress topper felt extremely comfortable on our backs and limbs, which is an important factor for side sleepers looking for better quality rest. We tested the 3-inch thickness to see if we could feel the acupressure mat we placed underneath. We couldn't. If that sounds too thick, you can opt for a 2-inch version. After lying on it for 5 minutes, we saw no noticeable dents, and the topper didn't shift on the mattress even when we tossed and turned. Just note that it comes with no straps to hold it down on the bed. While we didn't think the mattress topper was particularly heavy, it's sort of big and unwieldy, so you might need a second person to help put it on the bed. As for any cooling properties, it warms slightly from our body heat, but nothing drastic. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.